Hello, so today I wanted to do a video on why everyone should own a gas mask. So first of all, why everyone should own a gas mask is back in 1914 and 1939 when World War I and World War II started, everyone had a gas mask. They were everywhere. Every country had them, Britain had them, Ukraine had them, Russia had them, the US had them, Poland had them, obviously Germany had them. And yeah, this was a normal thing to have back in like wartime and the Cold War and stuff like that. But now you don't really see these around. The only time you see these is with the SAS, the armed forces in different countries and stuff. And everyone's relying on their government and stuff. Hi, sorry, what I meant by relying on your government is everyone relies on their government and everyone lives in a fairy tale. What I mean by that is everyone just thinks nothing bad is going to happen. And yeah, they just rely on their government. They think if a nuclear war happened, if a zombie apocalypse happened, or something like that, their government is going to come save them. The police are going to come save them, which is absolutely wrong. If you even read about the laws of different countries, but in the UK, the government will leave you, okay? They'll leave you to die, they only care about themselves, and this is why the UK and other countries have so many preppers, because you're on your own. When shit hits the fan, you're on your own. There's no government, there's nobody. The government aren't going to come sweep you off your off the streets and go, hey, come here. If they do, they're going to be stealing from you. That is allowed. I'm pretty sure the government in the UK have put a statement out there somewhere. If I can find it, I'll put it on screen, but it's very, very hard to come by. But basically what they said is if they need something, they'll take it. If you have something, they'll take it. So you got to defend yourself. And this is what I mean. Everyone should have a gas mask, because you're going to be on your own if a nuclear war happened tomorrow or next week or next year. It may never happen. But it's the same like condoms and other stuff like that. You always want to have them. Same as period pads and stuff like that. You always want to have them on you. I don't recommend taking a gas mask into work or anything like that. But yeah, it always has to be close by. So, I'm going to be keeping one gas mask in my car and, stuff like that. But yeah, a gas mask is very, very useful. Same as a full NBC suit. But let's get back into the video. As you know, overnight anything can happen. The US and the UK could go into war. You never know. UK and Russia could go into war. Any other country could go with war with the UK or any other country, and because we're all allied, basically, all the countries are going to get in, and that is one reason why you should own a gas mask, because if any kind of attack happens on the UK or your country, let's say if you're from Germany or whatever country you're from, like, you'll always be safe if you have one of these. And these are not even this much. Like, the S10, what I have here, yes, this can be a bit expensive. This usually goes around 30 to 100 pounds, but that definitely don't buy one of these gas masks if it's going around for about 100 pounds. Only buy one of these if they're going for around about 30, 40 pounds, because this is all they're worth. But we're going to go onto eBay right now, and I'm going to show you what gas masks you can get. Right, we're on eBay now. As you can see, we are on eBay. So, as you can see here, I've been looking at some new stuff for some videos and stuff. As you can see, I've got loads of gas masks here. Some Avon FM12, which I'm still trying to buy. You've got an S10 here as well. But if you literally just write gas mask into the eBay search bar, don't buy these ones on screen. Don't buy these ones, because, you'll get basically scammed. But look, here we have a GP5, which is a Russian, which is a Soviet Russian gas mask. Do not ever buy one of these filters, okay? These contain asbestos. You don't want that, okay? As you can see, this one's crossed off. But, $9.99 for a gas mask isn't that much for something that can save your life. So, if we go back to the results just to have a look, here we go. Got an 8-1. If we just, let's have a look at S10s for this video. I see S10s are going for about 40 to 50 pounds. Then they start going high, which you don't want to buy. You don't want to buy S10s for 80 pounds. 69.99. That's okay. I was actually looking at buying this one. If we open this one up here, I was generally going to buy this one because I wanted another S10. It's in really, really good condition. You know, it comes with everything. It comes with the Survive the Flight. It comes with the sack. It literally comes with everything. The only downside was the rubber looked a little bit off. As you can see on mine, it's pretty much, you know, spotless. On here, it's got all the white stuff, which just hasn't been washed in a long time. This mask is older than, no, this mask is newer than mine anyway. Mine's from 1987 and that's from 1992, which is still good. You can obviously buy the GSR gas mask, which roughly goes for around about 40-50 pound as well, which is a Scott Pro gas mask, which I don't recommend, but I do recommend. This gas mask is kind of better than the FM12 and CT12 and the S6 and S10 like that, but they are very expensive. I'm pretty sure the US government use it. But yeah, there has been some faults in here, but as you can see, it's a dual filter. I don't know what these filters are. That's the thing. It does say MBC on here, but like I said, I'm not sure. But yeah, if we go back to a GP5, like for something that you can easily get, so it. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, here we go. We've got £9. Here we go. We've got £2 to £15. Like I said, I do not recommend. Oh, okay. This is not a GP5. Okay, I read it wrong. But yeah, they're everywhere. Like £8, £9. All I'm saying is do not use this Soviet filter. Never use the green canister because it will kill you. I don't know why they thought it would be good to put asbestos in their filters, but you know, yeah. So let's move on to filters now. I am going to be buying this gas mask very soon because it's only like 10 quid. Moving on to filters. So I have recently ordered, well, as you know, I have a Scott Pro filter here, but this will not, you'll die, basically, if you wear one of these in a nuclear war. You can either use one of these filters, which I'll put in the link in the description, for £8, which is a Scott Pro filter. It's a really good filter. Basically, what this, I need to find the thing, but what this filter does is it protects you from, I need to find the thing. So I've got the filter chart here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to have to probably do this and then open it and then drag that in here. But here we go. So, you know, A stands for, well, it's an ABEK filter. That's what you need. So ABEK. Okay, so ABEK basically is any gases, stuff like that. And then you've got B, which is hydrogen and chlorine and stuff like that. E is for hydrogen oxide and sulfur. K is for ammonia and other gases like that. You can also get the HG, which is a red, which is mercury vapors, which is another good one. Nitrous gas is also one that you want to be careful. But as you can see here, so this one goes under an A, so it's an A. You can see a little green line here, not green line, a grey line here, so it's a B as well. You can see yellowish gold, which is an E as well, and then it's got a K here. So it's an ABEK P, I think it's an ABEK P3 filter, which is what you need. But like I said, another filter you can buy, which I have bought, is let me just pull up purchase history, which is a FP5 gas mask filter. As you can see, I've bought this item. I bought 5 of these. These are sealed filters, but this is an FP5 filter. It works in any filter. It's basically an RD40. This is the weapons and stuff guy. He did a review on it and stuff. But yeah, these filters can basically protect you from anything. These are really, really good. Like I said, gas masks do not supply oxygen. As you can see, there must be at least 17% oxygen for this to work. But yeah, I've ordered 5 of these, and it cost me £42 here. Yeah, as you can see, it cost me £42 for 5, which is really, really good. I don't think I've ordered anything. I've also ordered this one here. I'm going to blur everything out, but I've also ordered a Avon FM12/CC12 and S10 drinking bottle. So yeah, basically the straw here connects to the bottle and you can drink from it. I've also ordered... Well, this is basically what I've ordered, everything. So I've got my NBC suit. I've got my drinking straw for my S10 because mine didn't come with one. I've got my NBC stuff. I've got my NBC boots. And obviously this bag, which was yesterday's video. Then I've got the blanking plugs, which don't work. Shameful. But yeah, I'm still trying to find a... I do want to buy a GSR. But yeah, I mean, these filters and these gas masks will work. But yeah, like I said, everyone should own a gas mask. Not just for surviving. You never know. Anything can happen. You never know. Tomorrow you might die. Tomorrow a nuclear war could happen. Tomorrow anything should happen. And it's really, really... It's not even that expensive. Like I said, if we add up everything here... So this gas mask was around about... If I put up a calculator... I can't spell. Calculator. About £30 for a gas mask. Which comes to £65. Okay? That is for everything. That is for an NBC, so a full NBC suit that will protect you from everything as long as it's stored properly. Then you've obviously got the filter, and just less than £100 you can save your life. You know, all this stuff can survive as long as the bags ain't pierced or anything. But yeah, this gas mask, even if a nuclear war happened, I don't think I would use this gas mask. I really want to use an FM12, and I will use an FM12 if I can find one. But yeah, this is a really good gas mask. Like I said, a GP5 works as long as you don't get them filters. But yeah, everyone should have a gas mask. It's really inexpensive. Yeah, like I said, it's really inexpensive for something that could literally save your life. That's going to be it for this video. If you did find this video helpful, smash like, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.